Alright, so I know it's a little bit different than what I normally do in here with shop upgrades or the entertainment center. Today, I'm actually going to do, not a commission job, but I'm helping my sister-in-law out. She's got a chest in her daughter's room where the bottom side piece broke off and needs to be remade, rebuilt, or replaced, whichever one you want to choose. So today, I'm actually just going to do a quick project. I'm just trying to make basically something like that. You have the side with a little recess cut out and the little support piece on the back that helps keep it vertical and upright. So there's not going to be a lot of talking. I'm just going to build, hopefully come along, and I'll show you the final results. This is what it looks like right now, so that's what I'm trying to work on. Alright, so there's a little bit of rough particle chipboard here that I need to cut off before I can glue that on. Alright, so I know that the front piece is actually made of what looks like chipboard with veneers on the fronts and backs, and this is made with oak, but I like how that turned out. There's just a little bit of play, but it's hard to get one whole piece made. If I could have done the whole base, it would have been different, but I think it turned out well. It's a little bit lighter than the actual color, but it's just a temporary thing until she either gets rid of it or decides she wants me to redo it. But that's it. I hope you liked that video. If you did, here's a couple of playlists of other videos I've made. If you want to follow along, and if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends, and we'll see you again for another one soon. It's right there, in there. See you guys next time.